Hey guys, what's up? It's Skiller85 back another unboxing, and this time as you can see it's for Forza Horizon 4 Ultimate Edition on the Xbox One. So I picked this up today and I seriously cannot wait to play this. Absolutely love the Forza games, or at least the Horizon games. The motorsport games I'm a bit meh about, but obviously as you can tell it's set in Britain as well, which is good because we never get any games that are set in Britain, to be honest. So yeah, there's the front with the McLaren Senna on the front. There's the side, and there's the back. Seasons change everything. Explore Britain in 450 cars. Go it alone or team up. Become a Horizon superstar, and then the Ultimate Edition comes with all that. And the install size is up to 75 gig. Looking forward to seeing this on the Xbox One X. So there's the tin. Comes in a steelbook. Really liking this steelbook. Really nice. And inside we have the disc, which, take it out. We have the code for the game, for the Ultimate content. And then we have manual, and it looks like that. How nice is that? So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Forza Horizon 4 on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, or should I say Forza Horizon 4 Ultimate Edition, if you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.